If you are wondering if Samsung Galaxy S26 supports 100 watts plus power adapters, then the answer is both yes and no. It actually depends what you expect from a power adapter that has 100 watts or more. For example, if you just simply want to know if you can use a power adapter that has 100 watts or more, if you can use it in order to charge your phone, then in that case the answer is yes. It's going to work, you should be able to charge your phone quite easily without any issues whatsoever. However, if you expect the power adapter to make the charging speed faster, if you want to increase the charging speed with a power adapter that has 100 watts, then it's not going to happen. If you compare it with a power adapter, like a genuine power adapter, for example, a Samsung power adapter that has 25 watts or maybe a little bit more, simply because the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use is 25 when we are talking about wired charging. So in this case, unfortunately, it doesn't make any difference. So in that case, 100 watts are not fully used because the battery cannot really use that amount of watts, or you cannot use the whole amount of watts, I guess. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.